Let's talk about your global outlook. I've named one of the risks that investors are watching, stagflation. But generally speaking, Lynn, what are the major factors that might impede growth that you're watching out for? The major risks in the economy, so to speak.
So I think the major risks are these energy shortages that we're seeing, which is kind of the catalyst for stagflation. We also have to see how different central banks start dealing with the fact that they have inflationary environments. And so one of my big themes going into this year was that we probably would get substantial inflation, but yields would still be pretty low, because that's essentially what happens when you have public debt as high as this is, which makes it a very different environment than the 70s. So in the 70s, debt as a percentage of GDP was very low, so they were able to raise interest rates very, very high to counteract inflation. Whereas if you go back to, say, the 1940s, when you had all that war debt, when they ran into high inflation, they just pinned rates near zero anyway and pretty much let some of it burn away in inflation.